What's up, guys? Today we have another review on the i7s TWS. Now these are fake knockoff Apple headphones are surprisingly light. That's the first thing I got. I mean, the reviews on this thing were amazing, so I of course I would buy everything that had amazing reviews. But for some reason these things are so light that I can give them to my baby little sister. I can give them to my baby sister, and she can throw it around, things like that. It sounds like, but yeah. With that being out of the way, these are the i7s TWS Apple head or supposed to be Apple headphones. The cover looks very nice. I saw on Amazon everything had good reviews. They had and on some other applications I saw they were selling more than 10,000 units a year, which was crazy. So I said, hey, if that much people are buying all of this stuff, I should also review it and see if it's actually worth it. And today we will be debunking or actually saying, yeah, it's actually good about the i7s TWSs. All right, so on the back model i7s TWS. You got the 5-volt charger, working temperature, blah, 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 and all that stuff. And also, I just want to, so these are the pictures on that they have. Just look at that real carefully. And we will now open it up. Alright. Looking good. Whoa, what are these? Alright. So remember, guys, these are $40. I can already feel some problems there. Oh god, no. Well, number one, these things are huge as hell. I mean, if you were to throw this at someone, it's like a mini axe that you could throw at someone's head. All right, so that's problem number. Oh god, this looks so disgusting. Okay, number two. Hopefully, it's not as bad. Maybe it's just me that I got this problem. These things are glued. There's a giant ass hole on this. I'm gonna show you on this camera. So let's just quickly switch this camera, and I can show you the problems. Alright, guys, on our second camera here, these things are mammoth size. But first, let's go over the nice stuff. It has a battery. You can call people. You can play music. You can talk to people, and it's wireless. Now, where's the back of this thing? Here we are. Alright, let's see. It's model wireless version. Has 5. You can connect it to 5 volts. Speaker independent, microphone sensitivity. We care about that. Working temperature. Blah blah blah. Input. Transmission distance is 12 meters. So if you're 12 meters away, you can still it will still be connected to your phone. Any farther than that, then you will start to lose connection and you can't listen to your music. Playing time 3 to 4 hours. It's very good. Charging time 1 to 2 hours, which is actually very nice, and standby time is 100 hours. So you can actually, this thing is very nice for the standby time. But alright, let's start for first things first. What is this case, guys? Come on, I know it's made in China, but even people made in China would be, slamming their heads on their tables. Like, what the hell is this? It's button. This thing is so cringy, God. Okay, that thing is so sad. I think it's gonna make me cry. If I talk too much. All right, so now these are the headphones. Let me just compare these to normal sized headphones for once. These things are like it's like for example, what should I say? It's like a little dog, right? And this is like the blue whale. These things are so massive. You can actually if your ears are too small, and you're looking for something to, make your ear holes a little bit bigger, you can, shove them in and, you have massive ear holes, right? If you want that. If you're a hunter and you're thinking like $140 axes are a bit too much, you could just pay $40 and this thing, you can kill a deer with this, all right? So you just practice a little bit. This thing is so massive, you can kill a deer. Alright, and this hole, if you somehow lose this ginormous case that you got over here, you can actually charge this thing with a laptop charger. Alright, but this giant hole is actually used for charging. If you can see, yeah, they have 2 giant little sticks that shoves up in here and charges it. And guys, if I turn this thing on. Oh god, do you see those lights over here? Do you see those lights? I have very bright lights, so you can't really see this. Oh, lights down. So here we have the police lights over here. You can skip all of your traffic. Yeah. And here we have the box. And also one more thing. You can see that if you look. All right. So 1 second. Let me just. you can see that this charging cable, is going up way. Yeah, they just decided to, move that and put it on the back. So, false advertisement. Oh God, guys, just all right. So, in conclusion, I didn't even listen to the music because I don't have to. Don't buy these. Good night. All right, so I don't know if these guys hacked the system or something, but you can actually these things can trick your iPhone, because my is iPhone 6s, so I don't know if it's gonna work on the new iPhone X's. But this tricked my phone in making it think that these are AirPods, and you don't even need to go into your settings and turn it on. You can actually just boom, you press connect. We're gonna wait for that. And as soon as it's connected, i7 TWS's. Damn. That thing, I don't know if it hacked the system and it shows you the charges. This thing's amazing. Alright, so we're gonna play some music and see if the quality. So these things, size-wise, not too great, all of that stuff. But they hacked the system and they made it so they tricked your phone into these thinking that they were like AirPods. That's an amazing feat. I don't know how my phone didn't like recognize that or something. All right, so let's do this quickly. So in conclusion, guys, don't buy these things. These things suck. They're $40, and if you want to show off to someone, oh guys, I have AirPods, you can show it off to your trash can. These things are $50, only $10 more expensive, and they're so much better. If I ever have something like these things, the Tozo T10s, these things are very nice. Also, M-Pals. The M-Pals, very good quality. I really like those things. I know. And once the sound quality is also really nice. If I have something like that, I will definitely provide the link and show it off to you guys and in more future videos. These things, I won't provide the link. Guys, just don't make the mistake that I did. I made a horrible mistake spending my hard-earned cash on these things. All right, $40 on my dad's hard-earned cash. Yeah, on these things. These things suck. So, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I advise you not to get these, and place your money on things like M-Pals. Search up the M-Pals. Look at my other videos. M-Pals and these Tozos T10s are actually very nice. So, bye guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.